Hi guys, it's Sweet and Venomous, and I'll be showing you how to do, backed away, how to do this look. It's like a weird little cat look. I don't know. I just thought it'd be fun, and yeah, let's begin, shall we? Sorry, I had to cross my legs. You're going to take the Revlon Electric Pop. Yeah, I'd show you, but it's like all scratched out. And you're going to take the white color. Ooh, wine, sorry. The white color. My nails are gross. But the white color, and applying it all over the lid and up to your eyebrow. Just like that. Can't really tell I have it on. Okay. Next you're going to take an LA Colors palette. It's the palette Tease. My nose is itchy from all the allergies I have to sorry if that was loud. Oh, you're going to take this orangey color right there and put it all over a flat brush like this. Like that. I need this for a mirror again. And you're going to apply it all over your lid and up. It's actually really pigmented, so don't be scared to use some, and don't be scared to apply it heavily on, because you really want to get that orange look. All the way up past the crease and right under your eyebrow, onto your brow bone. Just like that. It looks so silly now, doesn't it? Okay. Now you can use any liquid liner, kind of like this one. I don't really know what brand it is. Or I'm going to be using this Fabuliner in just #1 black. This didn't come out as well as I wanted to, because it's the first time the first time I'm ever doing a cat look, so I'm sorry if you don't like it, but yeah, it's just my first time ever doing it. Trying to rest my mirror. Okay. You might make funny faces trying to get your like that, to get your eyes to stretch to do that. You don't have to make it symmetrical, but yeah. You're just gonna put little lines down your eye like that. It's like my stomach's growling. Slowly getting there. The good thing about this eyeliner is it doesn't get all that orange on it from the eyeshadow. I'm just gonna go with little streaks like that, and then I'm going to do this upper lash line just to make your lash line look thicker. You always start from the outside in, but I usually start from the inside out. looks a little low. You can actually use makeup remover to get that off, but kind of like that. Doesn't really look symmetrical, but that's fine because you might want to fix it up a little anyways. So you can take any mascara you want, or you can put false lashes on. I'll do a video on how to apply false lashes in another video, but take any mascara you want. I'm actually using Mary Kay Ultimate Mascara. I usually use Lash Blast or something like that. I don't remember the brand name, but yeah, my voice like died. Like weird faces. That's a face you don't want to be put up on Facebook. That's really creepy, I'm sorry. But next you're going to be taking a black eyeliner. Any black eyeliner will work. I'm using an NYC brow and waterline in jet black. Can't really see it, but yeah. You might not want to watch this because some people get grossed out, but yeah. Just like that. Oh, I forgot to do one little thing. I'm wiping off the flat brush because this brush because I do not have a highlight brush to do the top. I actually just got this palette at Walgreens. It was like $1 and I like the colors. It's called that by Brightening Eyes. Just like a pink. Can't really see it, but yeah. You're gonna be taking the lightest one, which is this one, of course, and get on your brush and just do on right under your eyebrow. Doesn't really change anything, but in person it does. You can use any lips you want. I was gonna go full out and like use the black lipstick with the lines, but I don't think I'm gonna do it anymore because I look kind of weird with black lipstick. That's the video for the eyes. If you have any suggestions on a video you would like me to do, let me know in the comments or inbox me. You guys can rate, subscribe, and please no hate comments. Those aren't really nice. Yeah, I hope you like the look and I hope you have fun.